Hi, I'm Emily Nelson, Territory Sales Manager for Sub-Zero Wolf and Cove Appliances in Orange County and South Bay markets. Let's talk wine. With our Sub-Zero wine storage unit, this is for the true wine connoisseur, someone who has a nice collection that they want to keep staying fresh and tasty for the years to come. We have 2 separate temperature zones. You're able to store your whites up here or your red below. You could even do long-term storage, ready to serve. But whatever temperature you see, it will be within 1 degree of that temperature set. We also offset the UV light with our 2-pane window with a layer of argon gas in between, so that way you will not be altering the flavor or the taste of your wine. In addition to combating that vibration, these are nice glide racks. The more weight you put on, the smoother they get, so you'll never interrupt the taste of your wine. If you don't have the space for a tall wine storage unit, we also offer the exact same benefits in our under-counter wine storage unit in 24 inches, offering you a 42 bottle storage capacity. If you'd like to experience these in person, come down to Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in Torrance. They also have locations in Calabasas, Studio City, and Costa Mesa.